And this a video I mean how our brake assist in the first work. Yeah, no, Mercy main road in the main T. Manisha University of Ghana. So brake assist, you know, say see all kobo car be ma offshore by Biana say obi afro. Ain't say car the mount beeping sound be king extra say like objects be or say any power say a car, but mostly no it me detecting nipa but cars no and mostly it me it detecting a power. Ain't see no ya call say a bit me I'm me beeping sound na some kobo car me mommy beeping sound na okay. Ain't see even though say me focus say okay you know you who yeah say my queen say car no like Charlie focus it na car be wo nim ti queen ti a brake ne so atazenti brake assist we no say camera be wo sa ha say wo ho and at the same time so radar no and the boa mount me detect the distance between car and the kobo nti sensors need to me detect na who say oh ben car na utie brake ne so how I responded to brake, you know, I responded fast, depending on how close are obey objects. You know? So that's how it makes it now. Cause that feature with the minimum say Corolla no every 2017 air cost no, and now obey that feature we won because 2016 I'm not sure say 2016 no will be that feature way, but 2016 the be woman patch will be in a let me what happened. I'm very sure say if it's 2017 air corner. Very nice. Very nice building. Yeah. So Jubilee House. So so the me drew baby traffic in here. We'll continue video now. I think say every higher court see University of Ghana, Medina, hanging traffic in one, but because of say brake assist into no say try, but I think I'm in a beeping sound. But it seems say na me nine being breaking now. Me nine that breaking is like a sound number no. What I say cause so nine being breaking no nine that breaking is like car no who say oh you are aware of like objects nine when him no. But still no unti so on timer horn na beeping sound in the but I don't want to risk it. As I say, cause anytime you want me rely on radar then camera no cause you know machine sometimes a bit me up fail video here for educational purpose and I said the kind to see I know here my review about my car you know my tech features in the room not there my tech features in that means that wow interest be what car we no we 130,000 pay 130,000 Ghana cedis car we very cool sensors na nina working and at the same time so car your motor no yenyan sesa hwi wom ade ya sesa wom ne hop like last time no mo say like hop bearing is soon but no cra no me call no me to complete that's home used one no complete one na me to tuning na me the shell 2900 so that means how me fa so a treated car no it is a home use car no munya register or Ghana cause so here mileage na 62,837,000 miles. That means like there are a lot of cars now home use cars now do na car no it be work 90,000 be work 80,000. Yes, but carry no ultima it's very cool. And to see I try president if you are Manisha University of Ghana. Yeah, okay, you know who yeah. Say my that kind of sound and all that beeping sound not just say okobokan so cause anytime biana sound in the baby biano you know who yeah say mommy breaking the torso that means it's a breaking no yes that's how I tear but problem our car in accident na radar no problem bama ain't me working yeah you know who yeah sanity nti oka nya accident car and this woman no check radar no and a camera no cause the minimum say both two hardwares no and responded to software no then ebetimi am amount sa prompt no say tia brake no and a feature no ubetimi turning it off e wa ha say oko vehicle settings no aba ha say na odon say so then ubetimi turning it off or once say that on ubetimi turning it off we say brake collision system off yes to say and what turning it off so let me turn it on and see ubetimi asset distance esum distance na wa no distance and came from my BPs but mostly me recommend say the better 2 no yeah so yeah and I can see the fuel consumption here very good even though it's a fuel boy I then but in case of say me cook more say make me at 200 cities a bit me me akwa true like with AC on crano a bit me akwa true abra fuel kakra den yeah to say Liberation Road no and I'm in Liberation Road na menam social you know you say anytime be our drivers will be no make sure say seat belt na you on cause medical my video be about me sure our airbag no fast work my video laba nti obet me akwa check out that video no and at the same time so in case of say when interest be what car ni ma obet me send me a message what techintri@gmail.com. Okay, yes, I'm here say ebe work here numra cause ebi ani padona so be hu so ade na kwakoye camera na we ni so no ebi wo wa intime work here numra so you share how ebetimi afa so a work here numra. Okay. They say baba me wo sisi an la pass na me wo sisi last palmas anu mo wona me wo sisi so I think say me traffic way ma me continue my recording. Okay, I saw green, so a bit to me, Ako. So here's a queen, no bit to me, I work here, brake assist, no. Okay, but you yeah, that means and you make crown, I work good, and you may work okay, very cool. Oh, I think say accident be see and no more into na am I delay or traffic in mobile and I've been so yeah for hunter the ball car be war at your yeah. I say no we the least mistake up here no then the panel their ball or the ball onjina ompo na wa hono but the ball I know jana ko ni say the moment obejina on nko ade baboka yeah that's very bad so brake assist na how maybe to me afaso I prevent him from collision then let's go. So we speed kakra home because I think I'm going 50 miles per hour. So even though I'm person may rely on brake assist, you know, but for the sake of video, you know, okay, I think it's a mini beeping sound. See, okay. See, as na mama set car na woman in so. O9 na acceleration paddle no at the same time so brake paddle no so O9 n na so but still a car no na car na nkwa car na nkasa na bebo brake no na ebe at the same time so be accelerate the amount ti target car na e wo manim na target car na wo manim ne dia de be ba no okay unse say dia hu car no then enti ma set car na we so yeah me 9 na brake no so unse car na nkasa na ebo brake no nti sa na tie nti Corolla 2017 EcoStra betimi I tried those amazing features no open so who video one by one obetimi akwa check me YouTube channel no and I'm obetimi akwa check me YouTube channel be who sa videos ni na ho follow Tech in Chill Facebook YouTube and subscribe channel me the videos be bra me videos who here o Ghana ha bia ya de bia unim ade na wo ye no